Ladies and gentlemen, a while ago I did a story on how people that have gonorrhea now, the antibiotics that were used on it in the past to cure gonorrhea no longer works. The strain of it is so powerful now that no antibiotics work on it now. Now they are finding this also in many of the STDs. The standard medicines that they would use on it, they are finding is not eliminating the STDs anymore in some women. So, this goes back to you need to be careful about who you lay down with. You may end up with something that you simply cannot get rid of. These STDs have always mutated and they just keep mutating over and over until they can't be eliminated at all. So now they are admitting, a study was done at Tulane University, and they are now admitting that the recommended medications that they would normally use for curable STDs is not working like it used to work. Okay. And they are also finding that these people are more susceptible to getting HIV. And that's what that's what their studies had concluded. So now they are saying there are 143 million sexually transmitted diseases among women in America. That's a lot of damn women. That's a lot of women. Boy, you better know who you're laying down with. I'm serious. You better know exactly who you're laying down with. That is a lot of STDs in this country. 143 million new cases among women occur every year. Okay. And they're also saying that the symptoms does not always show in these women. They may be carrying the STD and not feeling any of the symptoms. So if they're not feeling any of the symptoms, they're not being treated. So they're going untreated. And now they are saying that they are recommending the antibiotics, which they have used on there. Now, researchers recruited 600 women in this trial, and the trial was done in New Orleans, Jackson, Mississippi, and Birmingham, Alabama. And half of the women took a single dose of an antibiotic, and the other half received a different type of treatment over a 7-day period. And they found that the women that took the multiple treatment, they were half as likely to still have the infection after taking all of the medication compared to the women who took a single dose. So they are saying that it means that a lot of women have been getting inadequate treatment in this country for STDs for decades. So that is a damn shame. So for many decades, women have been getting inadequate treatment. And yes, this is going to impact babies if you're carrying a baby, because these STDs, it will cause low birth weight. And, and maybe that's the reason why we're hearing about so many babies today being born with low birth weight. And it's because these women are still carrying a sexually transmitted disease during their pregnancy. And they're saying the parasite could also increase the risk of getting or spreading HIV. Kissinger believes the CDC will change its treatment recommendation because of the results of this study. So, of course, you still got to be treated, but understand that the common curable STDs, they are now finding they did not treat these diseases right in the first place. But please tell me what you think, ladies and gentlemen. Be careful out there. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell. I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.